Let's talk about enterprise service management and how you can avoid the dreaded vendor trap.
You know this old saying? Well, it's never been more true in today's ESM tool market.
Right now, old IT tools are just getting relabeled as ESM tools. It's the new cash cow.
But really, it's a complexity trap built on hype, designed to benefit the supplier, not you.
Vendors promise simplicity, but what you get is a mess of redundant modules that don't connect.
And the frustrating result? Organizations end up replacing these expensive tools every 4 years or so. You get stuck in this cycle with no real gains. See, the problem isn't the tool. It's the flawed approach. The key is to completely flip the script. Don't start with the tech. A sustainable strategy starts with a standardized system. That's the solid ground you build on.
That system needs a clear definition. For example, a service is a supported facility.
The USM method does this with just 5 simple, non-redundant processes. Let's break them down.
First up, agree. This is where you manage all your service agreements. Simple as that. Next is change. This handles all modifications to your services in a really controlled way.
Third, recover. This one's all about restoring service after any kind of disruption or incident.
Fourth, we have operate. Think of this as all the day-to-day tasks and user requests. And finally, improve. This is how you're constantly learning and enhancing overall performance.
So, those 5 simple processes, they create just 8 standardized workflows to run everything.
This approach is way cheaper, more sustainable, and it puts your organization back in control.
You can even assess maturity with a dual lens, focusing on both capability and the value you deliver.
So, if you're ready to build an ESM strategy that actually lasts, here's where to start. You can take a deep dive into the official USM body of knowledge, the wiki, portal, and book. So you've got to ask, is your strategy built on solid principles or just vendor promises?